Hello guys, welcome back to Terror Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Call of Duty Vanguard dev error 5573 on your PC and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. Before that, I'll be providing a link in the description where you can read many more articles on our website. You can refer on sections like Android, games, iPhones and iPad, social media, Windows, etc. So let's dive into the issue. So the first one is all about you have to update your graphic drivers. That is the solution if you're having issue on your PC. So you just have to go over here on this PC. You have to right click and go to properties. Now from here you just have to go over here and click on device manager. Now from here what you have to do is you just have to go over here on display adapters and you just have to right click on AMD Radeon RX 5700, which is my driver. So I have to go for update driver, search automatically for drivers. As you can see, this is on the latest version, so this is what you have to do as the first step. Moving on to the next solution is all about what you have to do is you just have to check the system requirements you're having, which is quite important in order to run a game like Vanguard Call of Duty Vanguard, which is very important. And the next one is all about you have to make sure that no big things is running in the background. If big things are running in the background, then most probably you have to end the task, which is for the unwanted things. That is what you have to do. Moving on to the next solution, apart from this, is you just have to reboot your PC, as well as you have to make sure that you're on the latest version of Windows. So you just have to go over here for settings. Now click on settings, and what you have to do is just have to click on update and security, and from here you just have to go for updates. As you can see, we are on the latest version, so that is what you have to do in between. After trying out with updating your PC to the latest version, even if you are facing the issue, the next is all about you have to make sure that you're having good internet connection, or else you'll be having the trouble. So these are the basics of which you have to try out when you're having Call of Duty Vanguard dev error 5573 and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.